Hey team, I'm Blake Alley with Point 4 Baseball, and today we're going to go over how to use the eSoft Online Planner and how to create your new account. Firstly, you need to visit point4baseball.com and click the Client Login Sign Up button in the top right of the site if you're on a desktop, or right in the center of your screen if you're on a mobile device. Once the new window has appeared, click the Click Here to Register button below the Login section. Next, we'll start with your login information. Enter your desired new username and password for your account. Below that, enter in all your personal profile information. Everything that is marked with an asterisk is required information. Remember that if you're under the age of 18, that you enter your primary parent or guardian's name in the appropriate section. Ensure that you have read the registration waiver and select the checkbox to indicate that you have done so. Also, review the marketing waiver and select the appropriate option for your preference. Finally, once you're all done, click the Register button. Once you're registered, click the button to log into your account and enter your information in the new login page. The first time you log into the scheduling site, you'll be asked to verify all of your new information. Go through it all to make sure everything is correct and that your email reminders and text message reminders are set up the way that you want. You're also given the option to upload a picture of yourself if you so desire. Next, you'll tell us about what you're interested in. This helps us to know what new services we should add to our facilities or if something needs to be removed. The more you update this, the better it allows us to serve you. Next, you'll be prompted to add any family members that may use the facility with you. For example, any children that you have that may want to use the facility, you'll add their names and their birthdays here. If you don't have anything to add here, select No Family Members. Now, you're ready to use your online planner. At the very top in the My Account section, you can view your current profile, any memberships that you have purchased, your interests, family members, and also change your password. Here's where you can purchase new memberships or view any that you've already purchased. Here's where you can do advanced scheduling. Here are all the reports you can view for any personal records that you may need to keep. And finally, you can view any rentals that are currently in your cart. This main screen shows today's schedule and if there are any times rented out today. You may click Next Day or click on the calendar to view and rent on other days. All the empty boxes are available to rent as our facility is open 24 hours a day, every day of the month. Before renting, you may want to consider purchasing a membership in order to get our member-exclusive pricing. The Membership Manager shows all the memberships we currently have to offer. With the basic membership, you'll get 2 30-minute sessions per month included, and 50% off any additional rentals. With the Lifetime Basic membership, you pay 1 fee up front and receive 2 30-minute sessions per month and 70% off of any additional rentals. With the VIP membership, you get 2 30-minute sessions per day included and 50% off additional rentals. The VIP Student Special gives you 1 30-minute session per day as a cost-reduced version of the full VIP membership and is intended for students only. The Training membership gives you the same scheduling ability as a VIP member, but also gives you a monthly hitting assessment and 3 follow-up lessons per month. To buy any of these memberships, click Sign Up for the membership that you want. Review the information provided. Add your desired payment plan. Select which family member this membership is for. And click Continue to add your payment method. Make sure to review the membership agreement and to check the checkbox to show that you have done so. Finally, click Purchase Now. Your membership is now active on your account. Now we'll look at renting a location at a specific time. For this example, we'll be renting the main HitTrax cage tomorrow at 4 a.m., something that our facility allows you to do because we're open all day, every day. Once you select a time, you'll need to select your desired duration. For most members, any duration other than 30 minutes may lead you with extra charges on your account, so be sure to check your membership. Click Add to Cart, then View your cart. For the payment method, if you have member credits available to spend, you may use them here, or you may purchase your rental with a normal credit card. Click Continue to Checkout to review your rental and to enter any notes you may want to add. Finally, click Continue with Payment and Return to Scheduling to submit your payment and review your current schedule. To view all the rentals that you have scheduled, click the Scheduling option at the top, followed by My Schedule. This shows any currently scheduled rentals for your account. You may click the corresponding Cancel button to cancel a reservation. We don't recommend rescheduling, as it's actually easier to cancel a specific reservation and just schedule a new one. Make sure that you cancel at least 3 hours before a scheduled reservation to receive a full refund on any credits you may have. This concludes the tutorial on the eSoft Online Planner. This has been Blake Eye with Point4 Baseball. Have a good day.